today we are going on a shopping day. We are heading off in a moment to Mall at the Millenia, or Mall Millenia, I never know what it's called. And then we may well go to Premium Outlets on International Drive. We don't really have much of a shopping list. I think we want to go to Sephora, Urban Outfitters and Bath & Body Works. I think the boys have a couple of things planned as well. But we will be going to Cheesecake Factory for lunch first. I'm really looking forward to that. We tend to order first, have lunch, and then do our shopping and come back for cheesecake to take away later. So we're really looking forward to today.
The cost? No, because they test our animals.
Do they?
They do, yeah.
Why?
Probably everyone does.
Not everyone.
So they can like, they put like
No! Louis, there's like chemicals and stuff in makeup, so they like test it on the animal's skin to make sure that like it won't give us rashes or anything, so they like let the animals get rashes and all.
It's a beautiful mall. Why don't we have palm trees outside our malls? Don't you think? Can you imagine?
in England is like 5.
Can you imagine? Oh, that scared the hell out of me then. Can you, yeah, go and move.
take it.
We'll have that one, eh? That is a really good space. No, somebody will probably run us over. Can you imagine though, coming to the mall? Oh yeah, this was a good one.
He was like, no.
No, it wasn't. It was right down there, Holly.
Can you imagine though, coming to the mall and having valet parking? Somebody parks for you, and then you walk up to a beautiful mall, yeah, covered in palm trees, that has fountains inside, and the Cheesecake Factory. I think that would be my ideal. Would it be yours? The joy of coming early, you get seated straight away. I don't know. I don't care.
Oh, garlic dip and hot sauce.
Oh guys, do I want nachos?
Only you can answer that, Holly. Are you ready to order? What are you having?
I don't know what I'm having. I can't make up my mind. There's too much choice.
Get the macaroni bun.
But what do I have with it? I don't just want them on their own.
Salad.
The salads are so huge.
What macaroni is it? The big one?
The big balls that I had last
Is that
time.
one of the main courses?
No, it's a starter.
Oh mum, they have a mango key lime cheesecake.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah. You like some spread cheese, yeah, and then you're about to eat your drink like that.
I think that's a very good theory, Lewis. Fried mac and cheese balls. So we've got a Santa Fe salad, a margarita. Louis got buffalo wings. This was supposed to be a lunch salad. It's absolutely huge. Ginormous. What's that one? Oh, that sounds nice. What does it smell like? Does it smell nice? Oh, that smells really nice. There's a pina colada as well, honey. Strawberry daiquiri. Oh, that sounds lovely. Books in no, where are we? Urban Outfitters. Excuse me, please, Louie. We found some books for Holly. Show Aid, the feminist activity book. She's already been looking at it. I really like the travel journal.
We found a t-shirt
Look,
as well.
it's really nice.
Look.
Oh yeah, she'd like that. There's a cake recipe book down there as well. Have a look at that.
You get a tea there.
No, she's only got a few things to try.
Have a look in the store shop downstairs. And we popped into the tea shop because we're thirsty.
This is the one. It smells really good. It smells like the Beach Club. It's really nice.
Beach Club is,
But it's not a bad price either. $24. And the hand creams are $8.
I was going to say, because only one escalator is working.
There's Rolex there. Did you want to have a look in Rolex?
No,
You'd
go
usually
to, yeah.
like to. Should we wander down that way?
I was going to say, is there anything up here we want to look
I don't know.
at?
Let's wander down this way and have a find.
Okay.
What are you looking for?
This one. But I need to find my skin tone, the right one.
Okay. Oh, is this the one you were talking about for your birthday?
Yes, but I needed to find it.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah. This is where the fun stuff
Is it? Is it really sparkly?
It's more like glowy.
Okay. Bath and Body Works next.
That's a good point.
Louis, it's your favourite shop. Yeah, they are quite nice. They've got cosy seats for the men to wait and relax while they're wide shop. Is that how it works, Holly?
No,
No.
that's sexist.
Oh, sorry. Look, it is all men waiting there, Holly. That shop looks nice.
We went there last time.
Did we? I like the spatulas. Should we have a nose in a minute? That looks nice. We are going into Anthropology, the favourite shop. I'd say this is the favourite, would you? Oh, Holly, look, they're looking for staff members. Oh, even better. Do love a sale. You can't take wine glasses home, sweetheart. No. Holly, that will just break going home. 3, please. Thank you for passing me the bag. I'm videoing. What's that? Apricot and basil. That's pretty.
That smells so good.
That does smell really nice.
Would you let me buy
I may have picked up another mug.
What have you picked up?
A really pretty mug. Look.
Oh, Mum.
So nice. I know. It was an accident.
Are we going to be able to take all these home?
I don't know. Oh. That's so cute.
What a rip.
Oh, tiny pleasures, Holly. That's us.
Well, they have one there.
Oh, I love the aprons. Should we go and have a quick look at the aprons? I like the blue one on the front.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Oh, look at the pom-poms. That's so sweet. Sometimes I think the aprons could be worn as dresses.
$38, don't you?
That's so nice.
Yeah, I know.
Have we finished our shopping? Should we go and pay? These are the best candles in the whole wide world. Love these. What have you seen? Oh, they're nice, the orange vases. We finished at the Mall of Millenia and we are now at the International Premium Outlets on International Drive, and we are just having a nose.
All the lemonade.
We're heading into the Disney store. Do you think there's some bargains in here, Holly?
Oh, I see some tiles, but not enough to tie a bathroom with.
Oh no, I hate it when that happens. Oh, look at the salt and peppers, they're cute.
Are they chipping down?
Oh, I like these coasters. They're really nice. $9.99. Oh, look at these plates. Oh, they're china. I thought they were tin plates. $4.99.
Are they China then?
Yeah. What's it? Oh, sorry, Louis, I crashed you. We've got mugs, lots and lots of mugs.
I've seen something.
What have you seen?
12-inch biker scale.
A what?
12-inch biker scale.
Why would you want that?
Return the Jedi.
That sounds silly to me. There's a few frames. $9.99. Oh, Holly, that would look lovely in your hair. That'd really suit you. How much are the pins? How much are the other pins? Blue. How much is blue? $5. That's a really good price. Those other ones in there.
The cheapest you
These are $1.99.
I don't like the scarf, but I may like the bag.
Zip as well.
Oh, it's zipped. How much is it?
$14.
We don't really need one though, do we? Some quite nice jewellery. They're quite cute. $4.99. That's a good price. Bargain, Holly, bargain.
Do we really need this?
$1.99 pin.
Yeah,
Yes,
but
you
plus
need it. Do you need some Christmas earrings?
Plus 10.
Yeah, it's fine, Holly. Christmas earrings for $5.99.
No.
Letter necklaces for $2.99. Anyone like Goofy? How much is this? They were was it $6.99 in the parks? $1.99. Bargain. Postcards for $1.99. How much is the Goofy pencil?
These are not.
How much?
These are not $1.99.
Oh no, they're not. They're $4.99.
Oh no, this is
Can't see how much Goofy is.
This is Disney Cruise
Oh,
Line.
Goofy pen, $6.99. That's not a bargain to me. Is it? Braid cushions. I know, for $1.99. These are quite nice. Holly. $1.99. Seen any t-shirts you like, Aid? This is quite nice.
An established one.
Yeah. Do you like that one? How much is it? $4.99, babe. That's a really good price. Any ears? We've got $2.99. This Rogue One originally $21.99. What? Yeah, Star Wars.
No, what is it?
What?
The Death Star.
Ah, thank you. They're good prices though. $4.99 for the hats. These little Simpsons are 99 cents. There's your animal ride. That's what you can go round on. That's so cool. Which one would you choose, Louis?
The elephant.
The elephant. Where's the elephant?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to go around and ride on that whilst we're at the store?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's why I chose it.
I quite liked it. God, it's such a hot afternoon, isn't it?
Sort of same as Auntie Anne's though, is it? Right?
No, I agree with you. So we're heading into Victoria's Secrets. Well, shall I split from you? Let's have a little look. Victoria's Secrets is mental, isn't it?
I think you're better off doing it.
Louis really concentrating. This is Louis' time to shop now. Sorry, Louis, I know you're concentrating. We've finished at the outlets, just in the middle of a car park, and we are off to Cheesecake Factory to pick our cheesecakes for tea. We're going to take them away. The cheesecakes are amazing. That's my one. We have had a very successful shopping day. Our feet are killing us and we are now tucking into our cheesecake. So, Holly, what did you go for?
White chocolate and frost.
That's the one you usually go for, isn't it? Yes. I've gone for mango, key lime. Mine kind of fell. I kind of dropped the bag as I got in the door. Lulu, what did you get?
Oreo.
Louis always goes for Oreo, don't you, Lou? It looks really sickly. Aid, do you want to show us your cheesecake, please,
Yes,
lovey?
I will do.
What did you get?
Snickers.
Blech.
Look at that.
Yeah, go on then.
You're gonna put your arm like cake.
Oh, sorry, I don't want to. Oh, I've got my strap in there. It looks disgusting as well.
It's lovely.
No, it looks too sickly. We're going to tuck into these because the fruity ones look yummy and the chocolate ones look disgusting.
When you're heading him, he doesn't smell bad. He doesn't have an
Okay.
odor to him. That's really, really cool. So that keeps them virtually invisible up in those trees. So they do come down to the ground only once a week to go to the back.
Why would you shoot Poppy?
You can chase Poppy with the mouse.
Just when a mouse draws in, we'll go
Do you want one? How are you going to get that home? And what would you do with it?